Buying my 2015 FC09 yellow. Yoo-hoo! First day. Gonna drive home. Gonna take home this beauty. Thanks, Andre, for the ride. Yoo-hoo! A beautiful FC09. Jesus. I like the yellow paint. I hope they fix the throttle. That's what I heard on the internet. I'm hoping this one come true. 2015 FC09. 0 mileage. Zero mileage. Okay guys.